Hello my friends and welcome back to our channel. I'm going to be doing a series on chemical peels and it's finally winter, so it's time. In this video I'm going to go over safety, procedure, pre-care, aftercare, the products I use, and of course my final results. I'm doing an at-home 25% TCA chemical peel because ironically, as an esthetician, I can legally only purchase and perform a 15% peel without a doctor on site. But I can go on Amazon and purchase up to a 35% with no training, and anyone can just go home and throw it on their face. I decided to make these videos for you of my journey and hopefully teach you a few things that you might not know. You cannot neutralize TCA. You can simply use baking soda and water to raise the pH and stop the burning, but the damage is already done when you put it on. I see a lot of potentially dangerous DIY procedures here on YouTube, and I've seen some horrible permanent disasters as well. So I thought I would share some safety tips while I do my own peels at home, and I can give you some education on skin along the way, because my platform has always been, if you have knowledge, you have the chance to be more successful with whatever you are doing. So please just pause this video for a moment, read the cautions and instructions on patch testing. It's really important. So this is one reason that you may want to consider starting with a lower percentage for your first peel and layering it if needed. A 10 or 15% TCA can be built up to a higher percentage. That way you can start with a lower percentage and you can stop when your skin is blanched. You just want to be really careful you don't get it in the eyeballs. And just a little bit of fade down. Now that I have not much left on, I'll do up here. So we're assured it's not going to drip down in your eyes.
Eyes $90.
Yep, I'm seeing it. So my disclaimer, as a skincare professional, I have to say that I am not suggesting you do any of this at home. But I'm guessing that is probably why you're already here. And you're probably already thinking of doing it. So I am just simply sharing my journey, my thoughts, and some of my mad scientist theories that you know I have. So stick around, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that bell and button and show your support so that I know I'm giving you the information that you're wanting. Holy mother, that's hot. Okay, so this is 24%. I'm blanching here already. So blanching is when the skin turns white. It's a protein coagulation, and you should just stop peeling right then. Don't touch that spot again. It's cooked. And doing around the eyes is seriously no joke. I am very, very careful, and I've been doing this a long time. You get it in your eyes, and you might as well just know you better go to the hospital. Oh, look how much it's blanching here. Wow. So the sides never seem to blanch as much. Ow, I just went over an area that was already done. And of course the nose. Really good for getting those pores to close up. But it looks like my underneath can take a little more.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on fire. Being labor?
Essentially.
Holy. Holy, holy, holy.
How come we all know that song?
Right? Whew. It's down to a 9 now. Not really. So what kind of blanching do I have going on now?
Definitely all around your eyes. For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say everywhere except like there's a little spot on your cheek that's not.
It has a post-peel neutralizer. So you're supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes. Has it been 5 minutes, you think? It's been 6 minutes and 26 seconds.
Feels like longer.
Oh, yeah. It's starting to settle down a tiny bit. This is the most I've burned with a chemical peel, for sure. And I'm trying to be super brave right now. It's been 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Okay, ow, it's just baking soda and water, but ow, I think it just burns to touch.
Yeah, any liquid on it, it feels like makes it like
Oh my god, it feels like
reactivate
knives in my skin.
Yeah.
Oh, 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 ow. I am gonna look like Lizard Woman. I don't know about washing this off, but I'm gonna try. I don't even want to touch myself.
When that happens, Tiffany.
You're leaving. The neutralizer totally made it stop burning. Casey's really tough. Does that feel good?
Yeah, it does. I cry about everything except things that actually hurt.
Oh, I feel so good right now.
Yeah, this aloe is great.
And I love to use the fresh aloe and rub it on my face when it gets itchy. Frozen feels so good. And I layer it between parchment paper and put it in the freezer. So I have an essential oil mix that I've mixed. It's primrose oil with blue tansy, lavender, copaiba, and helichrysum. Definitely getting ready to flake here. And my eyes are pretty crispy. Shouldn't be long. Forehead always is last. Oh my gosh, look how old I look. Look at those old eyes. Oof. It has been 10 days since I've done the 24% TCA chemical peel. My eyelids always are tighter after I do a chemical peel. And of course, my little crow's feet are always just so much softer. I am going to do 3 TCA peels. This was the 24%. I'm gonna do one more 24%, and then I will probably do a 30%. I'm gonna do them 28 days apart so we can see what goes on. So this is my face now. And I did the Dr. Gross resurfacing peel, which just kind of, I think, prepared my skin for doing the chemical peels. I really liked it. It had a lot of different acids in it. And I thought it was actually a really great product if you're not gonna do an aggressive peel and you just wanna do something that doesn't make your skin actually peel. I thought that was one of the best ones I had used. So throughout my life, I've battled my pores, my eye flap, and of course, my hooded eyes. And the chemical peels really do help with that. We live in the land of lizard in Southern California. Really dry, really hot lizard skin conditions. I have my makeup on. My skin feels so much better. I love the way my makeup goes on after I do a chemical peel. And like I always say, start out small and work your way up. Don't start with a 30% if you've never done one before. I'm even starting with a 24% for my winter peels, because I'm not gonna go out and run a 25-mile marathon if I have not practiced. And you shouldn't do that with your skin either. I know I'm being redundant, but I gotta keep telling you guys this. This is the end of this one. I'll see you in 28 days for my next peel. And I'm super excited. I feel really happy about this.